Hello, wonderful learners. I hope you are all doing great. I'm Joseph Techi, your facilitator for Mathematics Basic 4. I always say, mathematics time, activity time. Good. Learners, now let's look at something. I place 3 counters here. I know you will say they are longs. They are not counters. Please, in this case, or in this lesson, I'm using the longs as my counters. So I've placed 3 of them here. When I add the same 3, it becomes what? 6. Good. Let me add the same 3 to it. It becomes what? 9. So you see, I can do this and do it and do it and do it without ending. So today we want to look at factors, multiples, and square numbers. And under this, we want to be specific on the area that we want to look at. We want to look at determining the lowest common multiples. And in short, we say LCM. I believe you've heard LCM. The meaning is lowest common multiple. But before we come to today's lesson, remember, I gave you homework in the previous lesson. So let's try and then answer that. Good. The homework was find a set of multiples of 7. And the multiples of 7, we have the 7. When you add another 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And you see we have placed 3 dots there, meaning we can continue and continue and continue. So we place the dots there to symbolize that, to signify that. Then I end with my set. Then I give you another one, that find a set of multiples of 5. And the multiples of 5 too, we have the 5. When you add another 5 to it, 10, 15, 20, 25. And you've seen I've placed my 3 dots, meaning I can do it and do it and do it without ending. So the 3 dots are there to show that. Good. So let's come to today's lesson. We said today we want to look at determining the lowest common multiples. The lowest common multiple. And we shorten it. The short form is LCM. I strongly believe that you have heard of LCM. Now let's look at our objective for today's lesson. It says, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to find the lowest common multiple, that is the LCM, of two given numbers. Now, that is what is there. Find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 10. We are to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 10. This is very simple. This is very easy. This is not difficult at all. Now, the set of multiples of 10. So here too, we are to list the multiples of 10. So the first one will be what? 10. When I add another 10, it becomes what? 20. 20. When I add another 10, it becomes what? 10. 30. Let me add another 10. It becomes what? 40. 40. I want to add another 10. 50. 50. You let me add another 10. You see, it cannot go here. So I want to come and continue here. So it becomes what? 60. Now I want to end here. And this one, I can't end it like that because I can continue. So if I want to end it, then it means I'm supposed to place my 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Then I close it. I said I wanted you to look at something very important here. When I was doing the set of multiples of 5, look at the number of times I went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 before I had 50. Then let's look at the multiples of 10. That one. Look at the number of times I went before getting to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've seen that this one, because this number is small, I have to do more before I can catch up with this number. So anytime they ask you to find the lowest common multiples of 2 numbers, please, the smaller number, try and then do more. Then the bigger number, you try and then you do less. Because for the smaller number, you are supposed to do more before you can catch up with the bigger number. Have you seen this one? I went extra mile before I got 50. But this one, short mile, even I got 60. So take note of this. It's very, very important. Then here, I come to the common multiple. The common multiple. And the common multiple too, when you are writing, you are supposed to be very careful. If it is 1, then it's supposed to be common multiple. But if it is more than 1, then you have to add s to it. So I don't know whether it will be 1 or it will be more than 1. So I will write multiple. So when I'm done and I realize that I got more than, then I add my s. But for now, I will not add my s. Take note of this. So when we say something is common, it means that wherever I go, I can get access to that. So here, the common multiple, the set of common multiple. Let's look at it. The set of common multiples. So it tells us that the number that you see here, the multiples of 5, and then the multiples of what? 10. So let's look at it. Now 5. 5 is here. Can I see 5 here? No. So I move to 10. I can see 10 here. Can I see 10 also here? Yes. So I have to write my 10 there. I will not place the comma because I don't know whether I can get it or not. Let me move to the next one. 15. I got 15 here. Let's see if I can also get 15 here. No. Let's go to 20. 20. And 20 is also here. So, so I can place my comma. And now the multiple. Now it's more than 1. So I have to add s to it. So I've done for 20. Let me go to 25. 25 is here. Can I get 25 also here? No. Let me go to the next number is what? 30. 30 is here. 30 is also here. Good. So I'll also write it there. Let me go to 35. 35 is here. Let me see whether 35 is also here. No. So I move to what? 40. 40 is here. Let me see whether I can see 40. Oh, 40 is also here. So I can write it down. 40. Okay, the next number is what? 45. 45 is here. Okay, let me see whether 45 is also here. No. So I move to 50. 50 is here. Let me find out whether 50 is also here. Okay, 50 is also here. So I can write 50. Good. Learners, have you seen that? Here we are looking at the common multiple between these two numbers. And from where I have done, these are the common multiple. So I ended there, the common multiple. Then now I can find the lowest common multiple. So the numbers there, common multiple, which one is the lowest? Which one is the lowest? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Which one is the lowest? So I'm supposed to write the lowest common multiple. But here I want to shorten it. I want to write it short. So the LCM, but when you are writing, you can choose to write it full. But here I want to shorten it. The short form of the lowest common multiple. That is the LCM. So the LCM, the numbers are there. I have 20, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So which one is the lowest? And the lowest is what? The lowest is what? The lowest is what? 10. So that is the lowest common multiple. So when they ask you to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and then 10, the answer is what? 10. The LCM, the lowest common multiple is what? Is 10. Have you seen how mathematics is very interesting? Good. Now, I have another one there. It says find the lowest common multiple, that is the LCM, of 2 and then 3. This is very simple. It's very simple. Okay. The set of multiples of 2. So they are there. So the set of multiples of 2 are there. 2 when you add 2 to it. Then let's come to the set of multiples of 3. The set of multiples of 3. So 3, when I add 3, I add 3, I add 3. Remember I said when they ask you to find the set of multiples, consider the two numbers. The one which is small, please, you are supposed to do it more than the bigger number. Take note of that. Then when you come here, we are supposed to look at the common multiple. I said the common multiple, I will not write the S until I get number more than that. So now, the number that I can see it here and at the same time here. 2 is not here, 4 is here, 4 is not here. So I go to 6. 6 is here, 6 is here. So I have to come and then write my 6. The next number, 8. 8 is here, but 8 is not here. So I move to 10. 10 is here, 10 is not here. So let me move to 12. 12 is here, 12 is also here. So I'll put down 12. The next number is 14 is here, 14 is not here. 16 is here, 16 is not here. 18 is here, but 18 is also here. So I'll take 18. It's common multiple. Then now I'll look at the lowest common multiple. The lowest among these numbers. Which of them is the lowest? So the lowest please, I always say that the LCM is lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple. The common multiple is here. This is the common multiple. And we are looking at the lowest number among these three. And the lowest number among these three is what? Is what? 6. So that is the answer. Have you seen? This is very, very simple. I don't want to leave you like that. I want you to do something. You take your book, your pen, and you also try your hands on this. I said find the lowest common multiple, that is the LCM, of 3 and then 4. This is the assignment I have for you. Learners, I hope you really enjoy this lesson. Let us all try and then learn hard. Until then, I say bye.